Alright, what's going on YouTube? It's Alex from Techrific back again with another video, and you might be wondering why I'm outside of West Edmonton Mall, which used to be the largest mall in the world. Now it's like the largest in North America, something like that. And I'm sitting outside of the World Water Park, or actually standing outside of the World Water Park. And the reason being, I have a few reasons. First off, Chick-fil-A finally opened up their first location in Alberta, and it is inside that mall, so I'm gonna be trying it out. Secondly, because I need to go to the Apple store, obviously. I need to go to Samsung, and I also need to go to Blue Notes, which is like a clothing store, and they've got this deal going on, which is buy one, get three free, mix and match, no value, all around in the store, which is an absolute amazing deal. But you might be wondering, why did you click on this video? And it's probably because of these guys, the Sonos Ace Headphones over ear that Sonos just released for $5.99 Canadian plus tax. So I forgot my AirPods at home, which is like an hour away, and I needed to get some work done inside the cafe, like in here, and obviously I need headphones because I'm in a public environment. So I was like, okay, I'll stop by Best Buy, I'll grab these headphones, I could try them out, I could use them at the cafe, and I could review them. So I'm gonna do a little unboxing at the hood of the car because I have like no table or no studio, but unboxing, and I'll go check out how they work, you know, editing, and probably go to the gym later today and see how they work inside the gym. And I thought that car was parking right over here. There's absolutely so many cars, and I'm like in the overflow parking right now because the mall is just packed on a Wednesday afternoon. Don't ask me why. But anyways, enjoy the unboxing. Alright, so these are the Sonos headphones right over here. You can see that we have that beautiful Sonos logo. Very nice box, matter of fact. I got mine in the black color. As you guys can see, we have Sonos Ace on the side, and here at the back we have made for iPhone, iPad, Dolby Atmos support, and so forth. So I'm just going to pull these up right over here. There you go, tier that side and tier the one right in front. We're gonna flip that box right over, and there you go. There are the headphones itself. They're wrapped in this little like cloth packaging right over here. So we're gonna take that right out. Very nice packaging actually by Sonos. Very premium for the premium price point. That's gonna blow away in the wind. Over here we have the charging cables, as well as I believe a 3.5 millimeter headphone jack, just in case you'd like to plug them in. Yep, so 3.5 millimeter headphone jack and the USB-C for charging, and some instruction manuals, but we're gonna keep that all aside for once we get back inside the studio. I'm gonna put this right up there so that doesn't blow away, and get to the goodie itself of the video, the Sonos headphones. So they come in this little nice, you know, fabric packaging with the Sonos branded logo like right in there. And I'm freezing, like it is pretty cold outside, and that's why I can't speak, because like I'm freezing and my lips are freezing. But anyways, here is the Sonos headphones themselves, and they look absolutely amazing. So here on the right earmuff, you can see that we have the Sonos logo, and honestly, like straight out of the box, this product feels so premium. They have that little adjusting, just like the AirPods Max have. They're able to turn around just like so, and they seem like they have a pretty comfortable headband. But anyways, this is what it looks like. That's a little unboxing, what's inside the box. I'm gonna put these back inside of here, and I'm gonna try them out inside of the cafe while I'm editing on my MacBook, and let's see what's inside of here. I have no clue what's supposed to be inside of here, and it doesn't even open up, so that's interesting. But anyways, I think that's just to keep the form, and that's just to right over here keep these beautiful, nice, clean, and black. So hope you guys enjoyed that unboxing, and stay tuned for the review, my first impressions, what I think about these. But straight out of the box, I do really love it. Sonos Ace over-ear headphones, premium, they do the job. Alright guys, so I just spent about a good 3 hours editing a video at the Starbucks down there inside of West Edmonton Mall with the Sonos Ace headphones. And in all honesty, I will say that those are the best over-ear headphones that I have tried in my whole life. And I want to say they're kind of better than the AirPod Maxes, which is a crazy statement coming from me, an Apple fanboy. But the only reason that I am saying that is because of the sound quality. It is absolutely insane, and I do really love the fact that you can adjust the bass, the treble, and also the balance between where you want the music coming, whether from the left or the right side of your headphones. So those are my first impressions. I use them for editing, I use them for listening to some music, and yeah, as I said, about like 3 hours, and they've only drained 9% battery straight out of the box, which is honestly really good in my personal opinion. So it is currently about to be 6 p.m. I'm gonna go hit up Chick-fil-A as I talked about at the beginning of this video, because finally it's in Alberta. They only had a location in Toronto and all of Canada, and finally they're bringing it more into Western Canada. And I can't wait to see more locations opening up. So I'll go do that, head back to the studio, and give you guys a more in-depth look to the Sonos Ace headphones, and probably head over to the gym and test out how they work during a workout or a basketball session. Alright guys, so we're back in the studio a few days later, and this is what the Sonos Ace headphones look like. So you can see that we have that beautiful Sonos branding right here on the ear cup, on the outside of the right ear cup, and then on the left side it's just plain in black. Now at the bottom of the speakers we do have this one LED indicator light, so if you do press this button and it turns blue, it means that it is on and it is pairing with your device. We're just gonna turn that off. There is also a sound effect when you do turn them on, which is pretty nice. Here you could control your volume up or volume down, so it's just like a little switch, which is pretty nice. And over here you could activate, so whatever your assistant is, you could use that right over here. So overall, I feel like these are great headphones. I have used them over the last few days for editing. They are super ergonomic with this band over here. As you guys can see, super comfortable. The ear cups itself, very comfortable. My ears do not touch the inside over here, so you do have some great spacing. The noise cancellation is honestly amazing. And overall, you know, they're adjustable, as you guys can see right over here. It's Sonos, it looks nice, and I couldn't be happier. Now in real world usage, you guys saw in the previous clip when I was editing at Westminster Mall, they worked pretty good. What about when you're working out?
Alright guys, so I just got to my basketball court. I'm not sure how loud I'm speaking or how low I'm speaking. I think I'm speaking loud enough, but I got my headphones right over here. I'm blasting music while recording. The nice feature about the iPhone 15 Pro Max and iOS 18 is that you could play music while recording on your phone. That's the new update with iOS 18. We're going to be diving into iOS 18 more later on, but let me just shoot around, see how these headphones hold up. The sound quality, the noise cancellation is honestly really good right now, and yeah, enjoy the little basketball clips, and we'll see if they stick in my head and if they're great sound quality.
YouTube, so I forgot to film the outro at the basketball court, but as you guys can see, we are currently right in front of Best Buy about to buy some more tech. And overall, I will say that the Sonos Ace headphones are pretty good. The noise cancellation, the surround sound system, and everything in between is really a joy to use. While I was working out, playing basketball, shooting around, they stuck pretty good and the sound quality was really great, I can't lie. Now I will say when I did a little spin move, they kind of like knocked off my ears. So if you're really in like high movement, or maybe if you're like cycling or mountain biking and stuff like that, I don't see why you'd be using headphones when you're mountain biking, but just like lots of head movement, they might shake off. But overall, they are the best headphones that I have tried so far, and I will highly recommend them. They are on the pricier side, but I can see why they're pricier because of the quality. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know down in the comment section down below your thoughts. Make sure you like this video and subscribe with notifications on if you haven't already, and make sure to go follow me on Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, where I update you guys regularly with what's going on in my tech journey, and let me know what next videos you'd like to see. Anyways, it's been Alex from Techrific, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thanks for stopping by.